So I was doom scrolling like always, and I came across this Instagram reel. Yeah, I mean, not once, not twice, quite a few times. And at some point, I thought, why I'm just watching this? Why shouldn't I try something like this? So here is the plan. I don't know how long will it take. It'll take whole night or just 5 minutes. It's 11:15 p.m. right now. I'm just going to wipe code everything and hopefully let's see if I can walk out with something cool. Okay, I didn't just blindly start asking my AI to build this. There's actually a process. I did my homework. So that is what's happening. First, camera. OpenCV handles the webcam. It gives me frames, just images, 30 images per second. That's the canvas. Now, this is where MediaPipe comes in. OpenCV just shows me pixels. MediaPipe actually understands what's inside the frame. It detects my hand and gives me landmark coordinates, 21 points, each one with X and Y value, whatever that is. So OpenCV captures, MediaPipe interprets, I visualize. Those coordinates by themselves don't look cool. So I convert numbers into visuals, circles, particles, whatever I want. And motion is the real trick. If it reacts instantly, your brain thinks it's intelligent. There's some math in between. Distance between fingers, sine, cosine, and then I layer it. Base system, FX, then controlled chaos. Okay, yeah, I know this part is boring, but trust me, this was needed. The first step was using Python and OpenCV, open the webcam, and that it did. And here the video is not a video here. It's like frames continuously capturing and representing accordingly so that it becomes a video properly for us.
Okay.
Now the MediaPipe, I tried using the face landmarks, but I've changed it for the hands because whenever we tweak the hand, that's how everything should change. So, and you can see weird blue dots right now. Let's refine this.
Okay.
Now this is a progress. Okay, let's try more. Okay, so everything is working so smoothly. Like the initial prototype is done. Now I think I need to figure out what kind of animations I want to show, and then I think we are good to go. Now the idea is simple. The blue dot will become an energy core, sun kind of thing, and those yellow dots I'm thinking to make them as asteroids. And when I pinch, it reduces the size, and when I zoom in, it becomes big, covering the whole screen. And again a new sun forms in my hand, fingertips. Let's see if that works, then we can make a reel.
I woke up this morning and the sun was gone. Turned on some music to start my day. Then lost myself in a familiar song. I closed my eyes and I slipped away.
Progress. I'm so sleepy right now at this point. Yeah. Okay, so it's 2:55 a.m. and this is the progress. I think we're almost, it's a lots of progress.